Good morning, Windsor. Here we are on the Atlantic Huron, and we are loading salt. Oh, there's somebody fishing. Apparently the fish come close to the ship. I don't know if they like the vibration or there's something. Somebody was explaining to me, a fisherman. Unfortunately, I did not retain the information, but it has something to do with the vibration or the noise of the ship. The fish feel very comfortable. So apparently it's good fishing right beside the ship. So here we are loading salt, and you can see a little bit of salt peeking out in the cargo hold. If I go a little bit closer, there you go, see? It's right up to the top. So we can carry a lot of salt. Fill right up. In the background there you see the Gordie Howe Bridge. Of course, not much happened since we were here a few days ago. But anyhow, that's how my morning started. Look, we can say good morning to Detroit over there. Good morning, Detroit. The boys are starting to work, so I'm going to head back to the galley. There's a wonderful smell of bacon cooking, and the second cook has sausages on this morning. And before long, it's going to smell like cinnamon because it is Cinnamon Bun Sunday. So I hope you all have a great Cinnamon Bun Sunday too, and we'll talk again soon. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.